Yeah, get it. Y'all are sick.
That Shakira video.
Oh, no. That's like a glare for real. Sleepy? If you seen that face you just made, you're like,
No, don't put it again.
oh, you want to show your booty? What you trying to do? Phew. Oh, you messed up her floor. Get out of here. You're messing her floor up.
Sorry.
You see that? No, they're her shoes. So those mud tracks. It was her. Messing up your floor. Sweat, yeah. Unfortunately, you broke into a sweat.